This is Liza's first burn in her brand new wood stove.
It works really well. There's a nice draft to it, and it's very, very pleasant to be next to it.
All right, I'm going to go outside and take a video of outside.
Okay.
Did you film a video of the smoke coming out of the chimney?
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
Oh.
I don't know if you can see it on this, but there's some nice heat coming out of that. What do you think, Kostya?
Nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
I couldn't see the smoke. All I could see is the
The heat, yeah.
The heat coming out. Oh, I could see some smoke.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
Dad, it looks like you worked pretty hard on this.
I did. Still got a little more to go, but it's in good shape.
You mean the treehouse?
Yeah.
Well, I'm so excited to do fun.
Yeah, you'll be able to camp up there.
Yeah, but can we add a carpet to it when we're done?
Oh, yeah.
Dad, I got to feed 2 little sticks into a fire.
Nice.
Yeah. You know the fire in the stove?
There's almost no smoke coming out of it, Liza.
Oh, what's that?
Because it's burning clean.
Oh, okay.
And we got to paint these, the pipe.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we'll just paint them black. Get those stickers off of them and paint them black.
Okay. Now, do I need to avoid sticking things